Hello YouTube, this is XVX100 here at KGO's. Got more room on my computer now. Record with my camera, the thing that you see me through right now. Someone asked me to make an eating video, like last week or something. Haven't made an eating video for like a long time now. If you guys ever watch my eating videos, it's where I would like, in the bathroom, which I am in now, I would mix a whole bunch of shit together, like stuff you don't eat, and I would just eat it, or taste it, or whatever, and just try it out. Well, she asked me to make one, because it's been a long time, yeah, it's been a long time. I've been thinking lately of making one, so today I'm going to make one, today. And if you want to find those, they're called Crazy Eating, or Jiho's Crazy Eating Videos or some shit. But this time, I'm giving it a simpler title for someone to find, and yeah. I didn't edit this video or anything because every time when I put my camera's high HD and I put them in Windows Movie Maker, it won't. It'll play the clip, but everything's like, you know. Anyways, so I'm not getting this video. Edit this video, so let's get it going. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, set up the camera here. That's what I always did. I always set up the camera like this. I always turn it like this. Alright? And I always took like two things and put it together, so what I'm going to do today is take mayonnaise, and I'm going to take toothpaste and put it in a spoon, and then rinse my mouth with water, like I always do in every year of those videos. And so yeah, so let's get it going. Shit! I should have put the mayonnaise in first. On the spoon. Hold still. I should have done that first. Hold still. Mayonnaise. Toothpaste. Oh. Hope you're happy. You guys ready for this? This is so funny. That's so gross. I do not want to swallow. I do not want to swallow. So bad. So gross. Ugh. So gross. All I taste is the mint. Shit, that was gross. Hope you're happy I made that video. And I'm not making any more videos with my webcam. It sucks. I'm back to my HD camera, so thank you guys for watching this. And that's it.